As you can see, the original buzzer still works. I want to do a cold engine start. I have to try to find my hand. Oh, there it is. You'll see that the motor is nice and cold. This thing starts and runs absolutely beautiful. Original windshield washer, Mopar windshield washer fluid container. Okay, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna see if it'll start while I don't even get in the car. Let's see if I can just find the key here.
Got the light blue ones on the bed today.
You can see it just started off the key
So
without even being
like
in the car. Everything works on this car. Windshield wipers, odometer, all the gauges, the lights, the tax, every gauge. Running at a high idle right now because the choke in the cold is speck of smoke. Like I say, the motor is fabulous in this car. Please look at all the videos. I'm going to do a video of my driving the car. This is like my first video, and I'm doing several of my cars that are going to be advertised right now. Like I say, please call me for full information. This is my private car, has been years. I absolutely love it. It's like brand new when you drive it. Truly one of the rarest and best Superbirds out there. And without exaggerating, probably the most documented Superbird in the world that's known.